So, okay, so question 4 says figure 4.1 shows a hydroelectric power system located in the mountains. Reservoirs store energy. State the term used to describe energy stored in the reservoirs. So basically, how a hydroelectric station works is that it transfers energy, like it transfers water to reservoirs. The reservoirs store the energy as gravitational potential energy because these reservoirs are purposely placed at a height. For example, reservoir C is this high compared to the hydroelectric station. Reservoir B is this. Reservoir A is like here. What happens is due to this, they create gravitational potential energy (mgh) due to this height. This is stored as energy. So when electricity needs to be produced, water is transferred from reservoir C to hydroelectric station, due to which the turbine rotates and the generator rotates and provides electrical energy. And this can be done at any particular moment of time, and the same water can be used again and again at the hydroelectric station. So for the first question, the answer would be gravitational potential energy. Coming up to the next one. Describe how the energy stored in reservoir C becomes useful energy for the city at the hydroelectric station. So basically it's asking for the whole process without terms and everything. So water first transfers from reservoir C to hydroelectric station from the pipe. So water moves at constant velocity, like from using the pipeline from reservoir C to hydroelectric station. And at hydroelectric station, the water rotates the turbine. When the turbine rotates, the generator with the turbine rotates as well. And when the generator rotates, the generator produces electricity or electrical current, electrical energy. So the process can be written as the first thing that happens is water moves at constant velocity from reservoir C to hydroelectric station, wherein it rotates a turbine, and the turbine rotates the hydroelectric station. Turbine rotates the generator, and the generator produces electricity. So some of the stored energy is wasted. Explain what happens with this energy. So basically what happens is when the reservoir moves from the water moves from reservoir A to reservoir C or from C to hydroelectric station, what happens is that due to the pipeline, when the water moves through the pipeline will have some amount of resistance, like the material of the pipeline, due to which some of the energy of the water will be wasted into heat energy, and also due to the movement, as water might splash from reservoir A to reservoir C, or during the general movement, some sound might be created, which will also be wasted energy. So what happens to this energy? This energy is either heat or sound energy, and it's dissipated into the surroundings. Heat, or you can also call it thermal energy. So water from reservoir A and B may flow into reservoir C. It is more efficient to fill reservoir C using water from reservoir B only. There's just a reason for this. So more energy will be wasted when water is transferred from reservoir A to reservoir C compared to reservoir B to reservoir C. Why? Because the pipe, from the distance between reservoir A and reservoir C, is higher. So water needs to travel more through the pipe. As the water travels more energy will be lost. As more energy will be lost, it's the whole process will become less efficient. Due to which the reason here can be that distance between reservoir A and reservoir C is greater than that between B and C. Okay, so that does this question for today. Thank you.